Go ahead.
Do not try this at home.
Right.
We
all
are professionals.
right. We all agree with that.
Professional fuck up.
Yeah.
God, that was a piece of steel.
Yeah.
This is a shorter fuse, by the way. Damn, that's just freaking.
That is
perfect.
awesome. Every fucking time. Every fuck.
Whoa! Holy shit! And that wasn't me. Wow.
Woo, it didn't flip.
Hey,
Hey, we really could take over dude's house with that, though. You start shooting that shit over at his house.
I seen the tree.
Good.
The leaves falling.
Wow.
Hit it again.
And we got our ball up here. Oh, this is definitely going on right here.
Damn near bent in half.
Oh my God.
Well, we turned